Welcome to the channel. Today, I'll show you a quick and easy way to switch the distance unit between kilometers and miles in the Agoda mobile app. This is useful if you prefer to see distances in your favorite unit when browsing hotels and locations. Let's get started with the steps. Open the Agoda mobile app on your phone. On the home screen, look to the bottom right corner and tap on More. Scroll down the menu until you find the option labeled Kilometer or Mile. If the current unit is kilometers and you want to change it to miles, simply tap on it. It will switch to miles automatically. Likewise, if it shows miles and you want to change back to kilometers, just tap the option again. Once changed, the app will now display distances according to your preferred unit throughout your browsing experience. That's all you need to do to change the distance unit in Agoda mobile app. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.